20 to save the life of people of Meghalaya. Saving life.
Saving life.
Yeah, saving life. And here all our friends came all the way from Korea to save the precious soul and the life of the people of Meghalaya. Through their representative, already they have installed the medical oxygen supply system in our state. That has happened in civil hospital. We have taken the report. It is very, very productive, and also it is very effective. This is the report is taken from the civil hospital and also from the DHSMI. So I welcome our friends who have come all the way. JJ Wu, who is JJ Wu, our friend who have come all the way from South Korea. We welcome him. And also we have come John Park. He is also from the South Korea, and also we have two representatives from India. One is Wan Yang from Shillong. He is one of the local partner with the company, and also Mark Matthew, who have been here working with us with the health department for many months before. And through his initiative, we have already installed a few oxygen supply system in civil hospital, and also I welcome them. So now, since they have come, they have not come only to do business here, even also to help the government, to our country, to our state, and also in our country. So they have already promised to send 10 more numbers of the medical oxygen supply system for the state of Meghalaya. For the entire country, they are going to supply 100 numbers.
During the long journey, actually, I deeply reflect on the meaning of the policy word. The first is commitment, and second is mission, and the last is the future. We are living through the extraordinary times, so-called COVID-19. I would first extend my deepest sympathies to all who have been infected by COVID-19, and I would like to express my deep gratitude to everyone working tirelessly to overcome this crisis, also with Mr. So I would say I also could not reach here without the commitment of all people to overcome this crisis.
Like 10 machines, we are just donating to the government, right? The balance or the prior, what has been there, it has been spent by the government of Meghalaya, and they kept faith on us, and we stood to the expectations and we delivered it.
This 10 will be donated to civil hospital only?
No, this is for the health department of Meghalaya, not only for one hospital. Wherever the hospital is required is going to supply or taking this donation which is given from our friend from Korea. To install not only in Shillong Civil Hospital, even in Ganesh Das Hospital and other districts hospital also, we are going to install this because it is very workable and very effective.
As a starting phase, in 2 MOS 450, that's a bigger machines, and 1 MOS 80, what we are right now partnering with. So we have found it out. It's not highly priced, number one. We are just cutting the prices on the manpower and the overhead services. We are cutting the price. So whatever price X amount is coming down. And as far as what we are having a motto is saving lives. So obviously, keeping the commercials aside, we are just giving the best services in the economical mode.